How to add credit card to Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can add credit card on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to discord.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're on this interface, navigate to the bottom left corner, click on this user settings icon. That's gonna take you to your settings page. Again, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down a bit and head towards this billing option. Then click on add payment method. Here click on card. Then you have to enter your credit card details such as your card number, the expiration date of your card, the CVC code, and the name on the card. Once you're done with that, click on next, and with that, your credit card will be added in your Discord account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.